Aside from basing a Fibonacci speed resistance fan on a normal trend line, it is possible to use the lowest and highest point of a trend or portion of a trend. Like the first method we looked at, the resulting projections of Fibonacci fan lines can be used to help identify possible new trend lines to use when there are changes in the existing trajectory. However, unlike the first method we used where the Fibonacci fan is based on a normal trend line, using the center line as a gauge of bearish or bullish sentiment is less feasible. Though where this second method becomes more useful than a traditional Fibonacci fan based on a trend line is in some cases where there is a steep trajectory or when a stable trend line near 45 degrees is not present. It can sometimes be a more preferred option during periods of sharper volatility. And of course, like the first method, the fan will lose precision and usefulness over time. In fact, probably faster in most cases, especially when there are those sharp contrasting features of a near vertical drop and a prolonged horizontal range, such as in this case.